So right here I'm booting the world's first Android e-ink device. I mean the world's first that I've ever seen. This is an e-reader using e-ink and it's booting Android. It's a really awesome mix. Is crazy what the possibilities might be in this. So it's a display controller made by Epson. It has a 600 MHz Samsung processor and it's booting right into Android. Here you see, this is Android on e-ink. The question is, whoa, I mean, how will it work? It's gonna be like, I'm trying just to click on some random things here. So there's a button here, it's Gigabyte. Gigabyte is working on this, doing the engineering. There's all these buttons, I'm not sure if they're gonna work. Maybe I'll try that in just a second, but I'm just gonna see if I can, because for now, this engineering model is not a touchscreen, but perhaps, I'm just guessing here, perhaps PVI, who's doing the e-ink technology, is gonna update e-ink. Maybe there's gonna be different types of e-ink with maybe capacitive touchscreen, something like that, and it might be perfect. It can go in settings. Is that okay? So right here we're gonna enter the settings, and I'm gonna go down just to try and show you what version of Android is running and what kind of hardware is inside. There's about hardware configuration. I just go down here. I enter here, and here's the information. So it says Android 1.5 and build number. They have a build number which they call English within something kind of recent from January. So it's on. They're working on it, and they might be Wi-Fi maybe. Maybe there will be touch. Maybe there will be 3G. Maybe there will be all these things. It's just it's work in progress. So we will see in the future. If I just go back 1 second in settings, and if I go in wireless controls, maybe there's Wi-Fi already, or not yet. We can try. I'll try. Let's see if it what happens in Wi-Fi settings. If I go in there, okay, there might not be a Wi-Fi today on this prototype. Maybe not. It's no problem. I'm just trying around, clicking around, and I'm going to go in FB Reader. There might even be a media player. I mean, imagine that. You can watch videos on e-ink. So this is how FB Reader would look. It just crashed the prototype we were using, but here you can see the hardware informations, specs. It's an Epson display controller, PVI e-ink, 128 megabyte NAND flash and RAM. So there you have it. It can also run Windows CE, but the one we're testing is Android OS. That's pretty cool. Pretty awesome.